Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 30 George Terrace in St Monans. This amazing 4-bedroom, 2-reception townhouse end terraced. Wait till you see the courtyard, the views from the top floor, the garden, the Net Loft, which is another guest service accommodation. This is absolutely gorgeous, this house, finished at an extremely high standard inside, and I'll take you on this tour. This is the property right in front of me here. End terraced. You can see that beautiful stonework over there, and as we go in this front door, as we walk through, we go in straight away to this main reception hall down at the front. Now off to my right hand side, I love these beautiful doors. Look at that, solid wood doors, no expense spared. These are really good handles, I like them. The stainless steel. Now first reception room, you've got your dining room just there, and it's open plan to your kitchen. So galley style kitchen with your oven and hob and extractor there. Plenty of storage for cupboards and pots and pans and plates and everything. You've got a cupboard in the corner there for storage. You've got double glazed windows to the front. And then you've got a sitting room to the rear here. So really good sized sitting room. As we look round, you've got that beautiful decorative fireplace. I love that cornice that goes all the way around there, probably original to the house itself. And then again, you've got these beautiful solid wood doors. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Now, we're going to go upstairs first. So just hang tight. Halfway up on the landing, we have an office and a WC. Now, the boiler's floor standing there, but you've got an office area to the side there, and then you've got a WC at the rear. See that wee sink on the top of the cistern? Perfect, nice and compact. We'll go up to the first floor. Got a really good size hall area. Real good size here. Love it. And then you've also got that wardrobe. So huge wardrobe for storage there. One thing this house has got is storage. And then you walk off into your shower room. Now, bathroom upstairs on the top floor. Your shower room's here. Thermostatic shower over there. And then your double bedroom off to the right hand side. As we go around. Then you have these timber shutters. So nice set of shutters on these. You've got a set of shutters downstairs actually in the dining room as well. So timber shutters on these windows. As we look back, nice and fresh. I can smell the new carpet in here. Absolutely gorgeous. And then off into the second bedroom again, these nice wood doors. You can see there as we walk in. Plenty of storage all the way throughout there. You can see, again, that decorative cornice up the top. Sneak peek at the back window, you've got the Net Loft. The courtyard's down there as well. Wait till you see that. And you can see right over to Bray Head. Huge, beautiful views at this point. Even at this point in time, that's a really nice view over there. And then over into the Net Loft. We're going to go into that in a minute. So just bear with me. Going to go up to the top floor now. Wait till you see the views up here. Wow. This will knock you out of anything. Gorgeous views. I'll save the best till last. Back garden's fantastic as well, landscaped. Now, beautiful bathroom up here. You can see the high standard of finish here. And then you've got storage in that cupboard. And just if you're a wee bit thirsty, you've got a tea making area. So a wee kitchenette with your sink and your tea facility. Your cupboards below. First double bedroom up on the top floor. You see that bay window. And again, storage in the cupboard. If you just look down there, you can just see the sea between the houses there. But wait till you see the back room. Absolutely stunning. The bay picture window is absolutely gorgeous. Now, let me tell you about this. Plenty of storage in here as you pop up these stairs, and you've got storage upstairs there. So you can get it up there. And then they've got this beautiful big room here. Look at that original beam. Now that used to take the nets up into here to dry out. Years gone by, many years ago. And then that beautiful bay window. Look at that. Look at that view. That is unbelievable. There I can see Ladies Tower in Ely. Right there. And as we pan back, it goes right round the Fife Coastal Path there, all the way around, comes round. This is about 3 miles away, Ely. So just up the road, or just down the Fife Coastal Path, I suppose. You've got this beautiful harbour as well. And then you're along this way to the Open Water Tidal Pool, and then also the salt pans, you know, the historic salt pans. Giddy Gannet's down there as well. You've got Craig Miller Restaurant just over here. You've got the East Nuke Pier Smokehouse just there, I think. Just there, I think that's the roof there. Don't quote me on that. And then you've got that beautiful pier over there as well, in Harbour. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Let me take you one last look around this room and we'll go downstairs. Okay, let's pop downstairs. I'll tell you all about out the back, the courtyard, the net loft, the guest service accommodation. Love that window. Probably original. So the one thing I like about downstairs, again, good sized storage cupboard. You've got a laundry area outside here, so it keeps it out of the house. And then you've got this nice courtyard to sit in the sun. Now we're sitting at just 12:30. The sun comes on here at 12 o'clock. So right bang on here, sitting in the sun. Glorious. I tell you what, it's roasty toasty here. Absolutely boiling. Let's pop into the net loft. So, really good sized space downstairs. Workshops over here, and then you've got your kitchenette area down there for the net loft. Upstairs you've got this guest service accommodation. You can get up there through here. Let's pop up there. Okay, here we are upstairs in the net loft. The fantastic thing here is, look, it's set out for a double bed already. So maybe a friend visits, grandkids, your children visit. They've got the perfect place to have their own accommodation. Over here a bit of storage, and there, and they've got their own ensuite shower room in there as well, as you'll see. Brilliant, isn't it? You've even got a view from here. Look, right over there. You can sit in your bed and look at Berwick Law. Right over there. There you go, right there. Just at the top of the mist there. So that over there is Edinburgh and Leith as we come along. Let's pop back downstairs. Okay folks, here we are back downstairs. So a laundry area here as well if you want, and storage, and across there is a workshop over to there. And this has got to be, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. You could just imagine the music on Instagram going for this. This beautiful landscape back garden. All the way through out here. As we look round. All the way round here. Actually nice and secluded. Now as I said, this is 12:30 and the sun's right there. Right in front of me. Right there. So that is south. So the sun is going to come up over here, and travel all the way around in this garden, and it's going to come right down over there, which is why this is perfectly positioned right there, these seats. And because you've got these nice high 6-foot fences all the way around, and it's double skinned, you're protected from the elements. This is roasty toasty, if I don't say so myself. Okay, let's recap. 4-bedroom, 2-reception, end terraced townhouse. Finished to high standard, you can see that. You've got your WC on the mid between the ground floor and the first floor. You've got your office area there as well. You've got your shower room on your first floor. You've got your bathroom on the top floor. You've got a 4-bedroom. You've got 2 receptions. You've also got this beautiful courtyard, the net loft for guest services as well, and then you've got this beautiful landscape back garden just around the corner, as I said, from all the amenities that are available. Pop out in the morning for a wee open water swim at the tidal pool. What more could you ask for? There's more details on this post if you want to see them. Just click on the link above or below. If you need to message us direct, you can message us in this post, or you can contact us on 01333 421 774. Until next time guys, from God's country, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.